ongaka wanele bonke abazithobileyo. Lomusa ongaka wanele bonke abazithobileyo. Guys, one of you requested this song, so I decided to teach it. So I will use G sharp, F sharp, and C sharp. Okay. Please, if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. So before any waste of time, our song starts right here. I will start with G sharp. Okay. So it starts right here. Lomusa. Okay. Let me do this. Yeah. Okay, I hope you saw it. Lomusa, sorry, Lomusa, Lomusa. It's like Lomusa ongaka anele bonke abazithobileyo. Okay, so yeah, it's like it's like abazithobileyo. Okay, I hope you see it. Okay, this song is very simple, guys, so nothing complicated here. It's like Lomusa ongaka anele bonke abazithobileyo. Okay, so as I said, the song is very simple. So it starts on 4. It's like you press T 3 times. Okay, it's like no, sorry, it starts on 3, not 4. 3, then you go to 2, then you go to 1, then you go to 4, then you go to 2, 1, 4. You can press this one, 6, and on your or this one. Okay, 6. Then you go to 1, then 5, 1, 2, 5. I mean 1, sorry. Then 5, then you close it. Okay, so it's very simple. This is G sharp. Okay, so it's like so we are done in G sharp. Okay, so let's go to F sharp. So our song in F sharp, it starts right here. Okay, or here. Sorry, this one, not this one. Okay, this one. hope you sing it, okay? So this is F sharp, okay? Lomusa ongaka hanele bonkekea abazitobileyo. Alright? I hope you can all see it. Very simple. This one, then it goes to this one, then it goes to here, then it comes to here, then it goes here, then it goes here, then it goes to this one. G sharp first inversion, okay? Then you go to F sharp first inversion. Okay, so this is F sharp. So let's go to C sharp. Okay, this is Lomusa ongaka. Okay, so in C sharp it starts right here. I hope you can all see this, okay? It's like Lomusa ongaka hanele So this is our song. So this is our song. Yeah. I hope you saw it. Thank you.